how to change advanced controls in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have advanced things. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So we're in the settings interface. Here on the left, you'll be able to find different options. Simply select on controls. So here we're in this control settings. Here on the bottom, you can see this basic controls. So basically there are two recommended ones and advanced one. So if you are a pro player, you can directly tap on advanced because it will be more efficient for you playing. But if you are a new player and a noob, simply tap on recommended one, so it's better for you and you can learn the game easily. So if you go back, it's all done now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.